I'm here with Madeline Castillo, CMO of Tulip at Operations Calling 2024. Thank you for joining us, Madeline.
Of course.
And congratulations, by the way, on your new promotion as Chief Marketing Officer.
Thank you.
Great news. I just want to take a step back, and can you talk a little bit about what the original concept for Operations Calling was for last year, which was the first time you ran the event, and how that has evolved for this year?
Of course. So Tulip is a frontline operations platform. So we make software and hardware for people who work in physical spaces. So it's a real core value of ours to be able to show and have people experience the potential and impact of Tulip. And we try to pull that into a lot of different things. So that's when we're at trade shows, that's in our experience center. We often visit customers on site. It's part of understanding and relating to our customers and who we serve. And so we wanted to do a few things with an event and to support our community that led to the first Operations Calling. One, our co-founders were in the MIT Media Lab, where the ethos is demo or die. And at Tulip, that's like show, don't tell. So we wanted to show the power of Tulip, but also the power of ecosystem. And it was like, how do we get all these folks together and show those demos? So that was part of it. The second was we wanted to give people an opportunity to connect and work with each other. So people in operations, they're really solving the problems. We wanted to hear from them and also give them a space to hear from each other. And so that was part of the in-person kind of community feel. And the last kind of goal of the event was to celebrate operations. I think that it can become an academic exercise to talk about what Industry 4.0 or whatever is, but we wanted to make it a little fun. So it's what can we add that shows the complexity and interesting pieces of operations while still adding to that educational and community experience? And that's where we landed.
And so the people attending here are customers, prospects, but also partners. So what is the value that they get out of attending something like this, do you think?
I think all of those folks like to learn and connect with each other, and they bring different perspectives, but there's a shared mission or value system here. It's almost a cultural event where everyone kind of that comes to this event, they want to make operations better. They want to understand how an ecosystem and how connection can solve the problems that we're solving. And regardless of people's role, I think that shared value system makes the event so special and also drives a lot of interesting conversations.
All right, and so obviously this is now the second year that you've been doing this. How do you see this maybe evolving for next year? I know that it was sold out fairly quickly. Do you think you're going to maybe need a bigger venue, or how else do you think it might evolve?
Yeah, so definitely the biggest change from last year to this year, aside from it being double the size, is we added a second day. So people wanted time to practically apply the things that they were learning.
Right.
And so today we have our day 2 content programming, which is workshops. We're getting feedback from attendees and people who weren't able to come that they would like to have more virtual opportunities to connect with the content, that they would like more industry specialization, and also perhaps bringing it on the road and going to other regions, perhaps Europe in the near future. But we would like to, wherever possible, have an experience center or an integrated demo situation. So even if we do move to another venue, we'll be sure to bring that along.
Okay, fantastic. Well, thank you very much, Madeline. That's been really insightful, and I'm looking forward to coming back next year as well if you'll have me.
Of course. Thank you.
Thank you.